Hello and welcome to our screencast. The Mbook is the first multimedia history schoolbook encompassing several editions and school levels. It includes different media types and creates its own way of narrating. Furthermore, it offers innovative, interactive workflow modules. You can read yourself more deeply into the Mbook's content-related conceptual and didactic principles on the website of the Institute for Digital Learning. Now I'd like to walk you through the Mbook functions. After the login, you will see the Mbook landing page. Located on the left-hand side, there's the Mbook navigation. You can choose every single chapter of the Mbook from here. Also, the navigation bar will lead you to the glossary, the hints and clues to the Mbook section, and the technical help section. On your right-hand side, you see the magnifier symbol. With the magnifier symbol, you can search the Mbook for keywords and categories. A complete download of the Mbook is available by clicking the arrow in the right bottom corner. The lower toolbar contains tools which allow you to create and delete markers and annotations within the material. You can browse through the Mbook with the arrow keys. The M button will bring you back to the upper layer. Logically, the M button will lead you from the chapter itself back to the landing page in only 4 clicks. Conventional schoolbooks have a notorious ban on notes and margin scribbles. The Mbook strongly encourages those useful interactions. You can highlight texts, include personal notes and scribbles, all of which are automatically saved. Exercises can be edited straight within the Mbook by teachers and students alike. Users will therefore work with their very own personal text and workbook. Most images on surface level lead to multi-image galleries. Every image comes with a concise annotation and source reference. The 3 Mbook editions for History Sekundarstufe 1 North Rhine-Westphalia contain more than 4,500 images. The upper bar here will show you how many images a gallery contains and which image is being currently shown. Clicking onto an image makes the annotation disappear. A double click will allow you to zoom in and out. As the Mbook is a fully multimedial schoolbook, film, video, audio, animation and interactive elements are purposely integrated when useful. We carefully create almost all videos, animation, audio or interactive elements with our in-house creation team.
Die Herrscherfamilie der Habsburger betrieb in Europa eine erfolgreiche Heiratspolitik. Als sie aber in Burgund einheirateten, fühlte sich das französische Königshaus direkt bedroht. Mit den kleineren deutschen Fürsten jenseits des Rheins konnten die Franzosen noch leben, nun aber standen ihnen die Habsburger direkt gegenüber. Wenig später erbten die Habsburger auch das Königreich Spanien. Ihre Besitzungen erstreckten sich nun vom Atlantik bis zu den Alpen.
For us, all those elements are vital parts of the overall learning narration. Audio elements may have different functions. They may contain spoken source texts, which can improve students' understanding of complicated texts.
An das deutsche Volk. Seit der Reichsgründung ist es durch 43 Jahre mein und meiner Vorfahren heißes Vergnügen gewesen.
In closing this little introduction to the Mbook, I'd like to show you 3 more interactive elements. I'll navigate to chapter 2.1 and have a look at an interactive quiz. Here, spatial dimension within historical context is being discussed. Questions and answers are leading the user to his or her own contextual insight. I will consciously choose wrong here. As you can see, once the answer is not correct, it will be marked in red. There are hints towards reviewing the train of thought behind every possible answer. I should have chosen right in this case. Such a quiz challenges students to actively access their acquired knowledge and to review, repeat and apply this knowledge without merely reproducing lifeless facts. Chapter 5.6 offers interesting examples for interactive explorations. Image elements are marked with clickable numbers. Information or annotations are given when clicking on the numbers. This method is used throughout the Mbook to support image analysis as well as clarifying complex spatial structures, for instance, front lines or border fortifications. Here, this method is used to illustrate various possible motivations of Caliph Harun al-Rashid in diplomatic contact with the Emperor Charles the Great. The students are asked to ponder the feasibility of the Caliph's possible thought in his time. At the same time, different choices for possible answers can be discussed. Finally, I'm moving to chapter 1.4. This is an interactive assignment exercise. The student is asked to assign Stone Age tools, shown on the left side, to the corresponding contemporary tools, shown on the right side. The challenge is finding the Stone Age version of, for example, a power drill. If tools are connected wrongly, a red visual will feed back the wrong choice. All of the elements in the Mbook are passionately designed to support competence-oriented tuition and will encourage students to think history rather than to SWOT history.